The South China Sea has long been a contentious area, with several countries vying for control over its waters and resources. One such country is Malaysia, which has been facing pushback from China over its oil and gas exploration activities within its exclusive economic zone, EZ, in the region. Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim recently made his first official visit to China, during which Chinese officials raised concerns about Petronas, the state-owned energy company carrying out major exploration activities in an area claimed by China. Despite this pressure, Anwar has insisted that Malaysia will continue its exploration activities in the region. This exchange underscores China's increasing efforts to pressure neighboring countries not to exploit energy resources under their control, even as it seeks to deepen ties with them. Beijing claims sovereignty over more than 90% of the South China Sea through its 9-dash line, which cuts into the ease of several Southeast Asian nations, including Malaysia, Vietnam, the Philippines, Brunei, and Indonesia. The South China Sea is believed to hold significant oil and gas reserves, making it a valuable resource for countries looking to boost their energy supplies. However, China's expansive claims have led to disputes with its neighbors, particularly over fishing rights and oil and gas exploration activities. China's actions have been met with international condemnation, but this has not deterred its assertive behavior in the region. For Malaysia, the South China Sea is a crucial area for its energy security. The country relies heavily on oil and gas exports to drive its economy, and the South China Sea remains a key area for exploration and production. Malaysia's ease in the region covers about 584,000 square kilometers, making it one of the largest in the South China Sea. China's objections to Malaysia's exploration activities in the region have created tensions between the two countries. However, Malaysia has continued to assert its sovereignty over the area and has sought to deepen its economic ties with China. In recent years, Malaysia has welcomed Chinese investment in various infrastructure projects as part of China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI. The BRI is a massive infrastructure development plan aimed at connecting Asia with Europe and Africa through a network of road, rail, and sea routes. The initiative has been criticized by some countries for saddling them with debt and leading to the loss of sovereignty over critical assets. However, Malaysia has sought to leverage the BRI to attract Chinese investment and boost its economy. Despite these economic ties, Malaysia's relationship with China remains complex. China's growing assertiveness in the region has put pressure on Malaysia to balance its economic interests with its national security concerns. This has led to increased cooperation with other countries in the region, particularly the United States and Japan. In 2019, Malaysia signed a defense cooperation agreement with the United States, signaling its commitment to maintaining a strong security presence in the region. The country has also sought to deepen its defense ties with Japan, which has emerged as a key ally in Southeast Asia amid China's growing influence. Overall, Malaysia's energy needs face significant challenges due to China's pushback in the South China Sea. However, the country remains committed to asserting its sovereignty over the area and continuing its exploration activities. With increasing international support, Malaysia may be able to stand up to China's assertive behavior and secure its energy future.